Good morning, guys. So I just wanted to walk you through with what we are doing today. So in our Google Classroom, when you go to classwork and you scroll down to today's lesson and materials, this is where you will see everything that we're doing for the day. So the first thing that you guys can go to is the 2521 Conquistador and Revolutionary Leaders. This is the PowerPoint that I use for all of the different for the classes. So you'll see I just did a list of what you need to get done for today. So the first thing that you need to do is you want to finish the Conquistadors assignment. So that was the Google Slides where there were two videos, one about Hernan Cortez, one about Pizarro, and then you had to answer a few questions, and then you had to watch the Ed puzzle and answer the top 10. So you want to make sure that you finished that. Some of you got a good chunk of that done yesterday, and I just want to make sure that you have that done because we will go over that on Monday. And then you're going to start the Latin American Revolutionary Leaders assignment. So I did add in the presentation the video for the Ed puzzle just in case you need it again. So it's there, it's ready for you if you need it. But the Latin American Revolutionary Leaders, I do want to remind you that revolution is a successful attempt by a large group of people to change the political system of their country by force. So they change their government, and these are the big six that we're going to talk about of the revolutionary leaders. So I'm going to click into the assignment. And so the assignment looks like this. When you go in, it's probably going to look more like this, but I did want you guys to see that there's stuff on each side of the assignment. At the top of the assignment, there is a revolutionary leaders video, and that's me just teaching you about the different revolutionary leaders. At the end, it does explain an assignment that it is not open to you yet, but we will be starting it on Monday. So it's just kind of like a preview of what we're going to be doing on Monday. Going over this paper, going over the Conquistadors paper, and then starting the most wanted revolutionary leaders. So you have two resources to fill out this information to learn about the different revolutionary leaders. So we have Toussaint Louverture, we have Miguel Hidalgo, we have Agustin de Iturbide, we have Simon Boulevard, Jose de San Martin, and then Don Pedro. So you will learn about these 6 revolutionary leaders through the video and through the slides. The video will give you a good rundown for the country and the important details. And then especially the countries, then it will give you some important details. The revolutionary slides will help you get the details. So over here, these are our countries. So these are the countries that you'll just grab and drop to where they belong. Okay, so you're going to need to listen to the video, look at the slides, and drop in. Then these are details that you're going to need to grab and drop to where they belong. So you're going to need to read it. So like over here it says, freed Brazil without fighting a war in Europe, drove royal family to Brazil, king returned to Portugal, but son did not. Dom Pedro took more power and declared them free. So that one, should go to Dom Pedro. But so you'll want to do the details and drag them here. Now this very last column, and I'm going to zoom in just a little bit to that. It says insert a picture that will help you remember each leader. So I just read about Dom Pedro and how he was royalty. He was the son, he was the prince of the King of Portugal. So I might, for my picture for Dom Pedro, where is he? For Dom Pedro, for the picture for him, I might put a picture of a crown. So I'll insert a picture, insert an image, search the web for a crown, and then add that there, because that will help me remember that Dom Pedro came from royalty and then gained independence for Brazil. Don't want to zoom in, want to go back to fit. Okay, so that's the assignment for today. So you're going to be using the video. That's me just teaching about the different revolutionary leaders. You'll use the slides, and then you're going to insert a picture. We are going to go over this on Monday. So that you should have enough time if you use the whole, even if you only use 45 minutes of the class period, you should get the Conquistadors assignment finished and get this one finished, because this one is pretty, this one will help you be able to do the assignment on Monday. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I'm sorry that I missed you, but I can't wait to see you on Monday morning.